Hi, and welcome to Tech Alert. Today we'll be talking about the internet, some common terminologies, and how you can use it in your everyday life. The internet can feel a little bit confusing or complicated at times, but hopefully by the end of this video, it'll make much more sense to you. So what is the internet? Think of the internet as a giant network, a huge system connecting millions of computers around the world. A simple way to imagine it is like a big library that never closes. Instead of books on shelves, the internet stores information on websites, and instead of walking to the library, you use your computer to visit it. Some topics we'll be covering in this video include Wi-Fi, browsers, websites, links, and how the internet helps in everyday life. So when you go on the internet, you're really just connecting your computer to this giant worldwide library. What is Wi-Fi? To reach the internet, your computer needs a connection. One of the most common ways is Wi-Fi, or simply wireless internet. It's like having an invisible cord that connects your computer to the internet without any actual wires. Your home likely has a modem and a router. A modem brings the internet from the provider to your home. The router sends out the Wi-Fi signal, and your computer connects to it. If you see little curved bars at the bottom corner of your screen, that's your Wi-Fi signal. Now let's talk about the web browser. What is it? To use the internet, you need a program called a web browser. A browser is like a car that takes you around the internet. Common browsers you may have heard of include Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, Opera, and Internet Explorer. When you open a browser, you're ready to visit websites. So what is a website? A website is a place you visit on the internet. Just like a store or a building in real life, each website has a purpose. You can search for information, watch videos, do shopping, or get the latest news. The possibilities are endless. When it comes to websites, something you'll hear very, very often are links. So, what are they? Every website has an address called a URL. You type this address into the top bar of your browser. Often websites will have an address embedded into the page. This is called a link or a hyperlink. It's basically a piece of text that you can click on that takes you to another page. Links are usually blue and underlined. Sometimes they may even look like buttons. Think of links as doors inside the internet. Clicking on one link simply takes you to another room. So how does the internet help in everyday life? You can use it to share photos, for communication such as email, video calls to see your loved ones face to face, get directions to different places through maps, listen to music, interact on social media, research for school or work. There's so many things you could do. The internet has become an essential part of our lives, enabling instant communication, easy access to information, online services, and global connectivity in everyday activities. So let's review what we've learned today. The internet is a giant worldwide network, kind of like a library. Wi-Fi connects your computer to the internet. You use a browser to travel around the internet, and a website is a particular place that you visit online. And finally, a link is a piece of text that you click on, which takes you from one page to another. You now understand the basics of the internet. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.